Morning, everyone. It's 8:37 on Wednesday morning, and this is your pre-opening comment. It is video number 520, and as usual, I'll remind you that we're really getting a great response on the futures trading side. So if you're interested, just email me or text me or direct message me in the Discord room. And of course, I remind you, if you like the work, hit that subscribe button. Okay, so the futures are up a bit this morning. The Dow is expected to open up 112. It was actually a little higher, around 140 earlier, and the news, one second, NASDAQ looks like it's going to open up about 19.5 or 20, and I haven't seen the S&P yet, but I'm sure it's in that same area. S&P up $8.72 in the futures. Okay, so Asia and Europe are mixed and relatively unchanged, and we had housing starts and permits this morning. Housing starts were up 4.9%, which is literally just a tenth of a percent away from being twice what was expected at 2.5%. It's 1,530,000 versus 1,460,000. Not overwhelming. And as I said, the futures were a little higher and they sold off. They're now up only 101. Permits were unchanged versus up 0.5% expected. So there's a little bit of disappointment there. Okay, so Pfizer and Biontech both had news this morning that they had originally said over 90%. Now they've raised it to 95%. I have no idea the why or the wherefore of that, but that just about matches yesterday's news. Lazy Boy had earnings after the close. They beat top and bottom, and the stock is 40.65 up 232 or 6%. So that's stay at home. That's another kind of stay at home deal where you get tired of sitting in your old recliner, or it doesn't give you a massage. Okay, Boeing, the FAA ungrounds the 737 MAX. Was one of the reasons why the stock has been moving up. I'm sure that news leaked around the edges, but Boeing this morning is probably more than the expected higher open, which by the way is now down to up only 93. Boeing is 221.94 up 11.84, 5.7%, and regardless, they will still have to be retraining. It looks like the first flight of a 737 MAX will be with American Airlines, and it'll be the end of December, so not for another 6 weeks. Retailers had earnings. Target, TJX, and Lowe's all had earnings this morning. All were beats. And Target beat top and bottom. Digital was up 155%. Target is 167.40. That's up 436 or 2.7. TJX also beat top and bottom. 167.35 up 431 or 2.6. Lowe's had good earnings and gave good guidance, and this falls into the same category as yesterday, where it was good news, poor action. Lowe's is trading 149.97. Down 9.89 or 6.2%. And Morgan Stanley also raised their price target to 540 on Tesla. The stock is currently 450.86, and that's up 9.22. The chart on the screen is the Bitcoin, and it has absolutely gone vertical. So I'm going to guess that we're about nearing a top. Unfortunately, I think that the best we're going to be able to do is to maybe buy some GBTC if it pulls back to, I don't know, 17,000. It's 18,015 right now, and that's up 295. Oil is up. Let's take a quick look here. Okay, oil is up 64 cents. Nat gas up 5 cents. The gold is down 11.60, but the silver is only down 19 cents, so the silver is a little stronger. As we are in it through the ETFJO, I'll point out that coffee right here is up another roughly $2.50. Let me just show you what that one looks like, because it's pretty impressive. I mean, I'm sure it's running into a little bit of resistance here, but this is a very nice move, and I'm going to guess $1.25 or so will probably be an area that we'll have to either pull back from or consolidate. The moving averages have all gone through to the upside, and this is the last one. That would be the 20 through the 200 if it goes through that green line. And I'm not sure whether this will be a pullback or a running correction. The positive for all of these is the US dollar, which for the first time in a couple of days is not down over a dime or so. It's actually down less than a penny at 92.39. It looks like it wants to try and test this bottom and here and turn back up, maybe moving up into this 93.50 area, but I will keep you informed. All right, everyone, that's your pre-opening comment. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll be back either during the day, because I think I might have the opportunity to trade the BABA for a quick scalp with some very short-term earning options today, and please don't forget to subscribe.